Welcome back to Blah Blah Sun, your weekly dose of Riviera Maya vibes, where the Caribbean isn't just a destination, it's a whole mood. Let's dive in. Beaches first, then the headlines that really matter for your trip. Palmol. The water is so clear it looks like someone ran it through Photoshop. Honestly, even a mojito on the beach looks pale next to it. Up north, in Playa del Carmen, beaches are nearly sargassum-free. On wild stretches, you'll still find last season's dried leftovers, but fresh arrivals, almost none.
Overall, the Riviera Maya is recovering fast, maybe faster than we do after vacation. New sargassum is held back by special sea barriers, so the turquoise water is finally winning the battle.
Yes, a few brown patches linger in the sea, but nothing that will ruin your Instagram grid. And on shore, beach clubs are waking up again. Music, cocktails, fresh fish, laughter. The Caribbean feels alive, while only the start of the school season dares to remind us. Visa Watch. A new $250 visa integrity fee was signed into law on July 4, 2025, but it hasn't begun to be collected yet. It will be charged only if your non-immigrant visa is issued. No visa, no fee. Aeroméxico plus Delta. Breakup in the skies. The romance is over. Their alliance has collapsed, and the split hurts the US more than Mexico. Here, we still have beaches, tacos, and sunsets that don't need a boarding pass. But for American travelers, flying down for margaritas just got a little trickier. Hyatt Zilara, Cancun, under renovation. The hotel announced an express renovation. Sounds nice. But in resort time, express is like, I'll be right back at a Mexican party. Still, if all goes well, guests will have a refreshed resort and Instagram-ready photos, without construction workers photobombing in hard hats. Playa del Carmen welcomes a new neighbor. Posadas is preparing to open the new Devotion Hotel. The name screams loyalty. To the beach, the bar, or maybe Wi-Fi in the lobby? Judging by trends, expect something between boutique chic and Instagram trap with a pool. So here's the vibe. Beaches are shining. Hotels are upgrading. Airlines are splitting. The Caribbean never gets boring. Stay tuned with Blah Blah Sun, because here the sunshine is free, but good info is priceless.